Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a deep, real, and honestly super important one. Your self-worth comes only from you, and how to actually grow it for real in this crazy world of likes and flawless filters. Picture this. You post a fire photo. You're refreshing like crazy. 12 likes. And boom, inside you're like, okay, that's it. I'm trash. I'm not good enough. But if it hits 300, pure euphoria all day long. You're walking around feeling like a total queen or king. Relatable? Today we're diving deep into why this happens and why your self-esteem is not about other people. It's 100% about you. And most importantly, I'm giving you real, actionable tools that actually change lives. Let's get into it. If you're sick and tired of basing your worth on other people's opinions, on those little numbers on Instagram, or whether someone hyped you up today or not, this video is for you. Save it, smash that like button so you don't lose it, and let's get into it. What is self-esteem really? Okay, let's start by actually breaking down what self-esteem really means. Self-esteem isn't just how much I love myself. It's how much you truly believe in your own value as a person. Psychologists, like the American Psychological Association, put it this way. Self-esteem is literally the degree to which the qualities and characteristics in your self-concept are seen as positive. Healthy self-esteem sounds like this. I'm not perfect, but I'm a worthy person. Low self-esteem sounds like, I'm a mistake. I'm unlovable. No one could ever really love me. Narcissistic, overinflated self-esteem sounds like, I'm better than everyone else. Other people are worthless, nothing compared to me. Important. Self-esteem is not the same as self-confidence. You can be super confident in your skills, like, yeah, I can drive a car, no problem. I got this. Or nail a presentation, crush a workout, whatever. But still, deep down, feel like you're not worthy of love. Like you're not deserving of real connection or good things in life. That's the key difference. Self-confidence is situational. It's about trusting your abilities in specific areas. Self-esteem is deeper. It's your core belief about your overall worth as a person. So why does it feel like self-esteem depends on other people? Here's where it gets really interesting. In ancient times, rejection from the tribe meant death. No food, no protection, no survival. That's why we have Mark Leary's sociometer, an internal gauge that constantly scans, am I accepted or rejected right now? It tracks your relational value in real time. Acceptance to self-esteem rises. Rejection to self-esteem drops as a warning signal. Fix this. Your belonging is at risk. Social media has hacked this gauge to the max. Studies, University of Texas 2020 and others, show when teens get few likes, their self-esteem drops sharply. Anxiety rises, and depression increases. The more time you passively scroll, watching other people's perfect lives, the lower your self-esteem gets. Getting likes triggers a dopamine hit, like a tiny dose of a drug. That's why we keep coming back again and again. Especially dangerous for those who already have low self-esteem. They see few likes as proof that nobody needs me. I'm unwanted. We compare our real, everyday life to other people's filtered highlight reels. The result? A constant feeling of, I'm not enough. But here's the key point. This is why I'm making this video. All of that is external influence. Self-esteem, by its very nature, is internal. Psychology has long shown that people with an internal locus of control, the belief that I control my own life, have significantly higher self-esteem than those with an external locus. Everything depends on luck, other people, or circumstances. You can't control how many likes you get, but you can control how you interpret those likes, how much time you spend on social media, what thoughts are spinning in your head. Self-esteem isn't something others do to you. It's what you decide about yourself every single day. Example: the exact same person can get 5 likes and think either, "I'm a failure," or, "Not everyone's gonna like it, and that's fine. I'm still valuable." The only difference? It's all in your head. How to build self-esteem. 7 evidence-based steps. Now the good part, actual practice. I'm sharing the exact methods backed by research, CBT, Nathaniel Branden's work, meta-analyses on self-compassion, and more. Step 1. Stop comparing yourself to others, especially on social media. 30-day challenge rule. For 30 days, limit social media to 30 minutes a day. Only active use, posting, messaging. Every time you feel the urge to scroll, ask yourself, am I looking for proof right now that I'm not good enough? Replace comparing yourself to others with comparing yourself to yesterday's version of you. Step 2. Keep a wins journal. Every evening, write down 3 things you did well, even small ones. Got up on time, didn't snap at a coworker, made a healthy dinner. After 2 to 3 weeks, your brain will start automatically noticing your strengths. Step 3. Practice self-compassion, the most powerful tool. When your inner voice screams, "You're a loser," talk to yourself like you would to your best friend. "Hey, it's really tough right now. That's okay. You're trying your best. I'm here with you." Research by Kristen Neff shows self-compassion significantly boosts self-esteem. Step 4. Create experiences of mastery. Self-esteem grows not from thoughts alone, but from actions and real results. Pick one small area and get 1% better at it every day. Sports, language, hobby, work. Each achievement is a building block in the foundation of "I am capable." Step 5. Change your inner dialogue. Track automatic thoughts. "I always ruin everything." And challenge them with these questions. Is this 100% true? Is there evidence against it? What would I say to a friend in this situation? Step 6. Take care of your body. It directly impacts self-esteem. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Move 3 to 4 times a week. Eat decently. When your body feels strong, your brain gets the signal, "I'm safe and valuable." Step 7. Surround yourself with the right people and say no to toxic ones. Healthy self-esteem doesn't tolerate constant criticism and devaluation. Learn to calmly say, "I'm not okay with being talked to or judged like that." Self-esteem isn't a gift from the world. It's a skill you train every single day. Likes can give you a quick high, but real worth comes from inside. When you stop looking for it out there, you become truly free. Start today with just one step. Drop in the comments, which step are you taking first? Share it with anyone who could use some support. You are worthy. You are valuable. And that depends only on you. Thanks for being here with me. Big hug. See you next time.